TV.
Learn and practice English action verbs sentences. Brush. The boy is brushing his teeth. The boy is brushing his teeth. Close. Please close the door. Please close the door. Run. She is running a marathon. She is running a marathon. Shut. Always shut down the PC after use. Always shut down the PC after use. Wash. The boy is washing his school uniform. The boy is washing his school uniform. Cook. She is cooking a delicious dinner for us. She is cooking a delicious dinner for us. Unplug. Always unplug the iron after using it. Always unplug the iron after using it. Eat. The girl is eating pizza. The girl is eating pizza. Push. The boy is pushing a shopping cart. The boy is pushing a shopping cart. Study. She is studying diligently for the upcoming exam. She is studying diligently for the upcoming exam. Jump. The girl jumps high. The girl jumps high. Sweep. My auntie is sweeping the compound. My auntie is sweeping the compound. Meditate. My friend is meditating. My friend is meditating. Watch. The girl is watching her favorite TV show. The girl is watching her favorite TV show. Smile. Our teacher greeted us with a warm smile. Our teacher greeted us with a warm smile. Learn. The boy is learning how to swing. The boy is learning how to swing. Climb. The boy is climbing the tree. The boy is climbing the tree. Teach. She is teaching her students new vocabulary words. She is teaching her students new vocabulary words. Comb. I comb my hair regularly to keep it tidy. I comb my hair regularly to keep it tidy. Bathe. I bathe regularly to keep my body clean. I bathe regularly to keep my body clean. Sleep. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Enjoy. My dad enjoys drinking tea. My dad enjoys drinking tea. Ride. The boy rides a bicycle to school. The boy rides a bicycle to school. Drive. I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day. Sit. The cat is sitting on the chair. The cat is sitting on the chair. Clap. They are clapping for the top student in their class. They are clapping for the top student in their class. Write. The girl is writing her homework. The girl is writing her homework. Sing. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. Walk. The girl is walking to school. The girl is walking to school. Slice. My mummy is slicing vegetables. My mummy is slicing vegetables. Love. She loves to hug her teddy bear. She loves to hug her teddy bear. Buy. The girl buys watermelons from the market. The girl buys watermelons from the market. Spin. She spins the casino roulette. She spins the casino roulette. Dance. The boy is dancing to his favorite music. The boy is dancing to his favorite music. Stretch. My mummy always stretches her body every morning. My mummy always stretches her body every morning. Play. We play football on Saturdays. We play football on Saturdays. Give. Please give me my textbook. Please give me my textbook. Call. I am calling my friend. I am calling my friend. Exercise. The man exercises every morning at a gym. The man exercises every morning at a gym. Mop. She is mopping the floor to clean up the spilled water. She is mopping the floor to clean up the spilled water. Ring. Our office desk phone is ringing. Our office desk phone is ringing. Slide. The boy is sliding at the park. The boy is sliding at the park. Laugh. They are laughing at a funny joke. They are laughing at a funny joke. Cry. She is crying because she lost her favorite toy. She is crying because she lost her favorite toy. Read. She reads a new book every week. She reads a new book every week. Draw. She draws creatively. She draws creatively. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.